Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to your maths class. Today is 5th May 2020. We are doing unit number 21 and the unit name is area and parameter. Today we will do lesson number 3 from workbook page number 223. Before in challenge 2 we learned how to find the area and parameter of rectangles with the given dimensions. Today we will do the word problem related to this question. Part 1. A square has an area of 144 centimeter square. How long is each side? Now you can understand the area of square is given, that is 144 centimeter square. Now you have to find out the length of each side. Okay student, before this side was given and we have to find out the area of the square. But now area is given, we have to find out the side, length of each side. So first you will write the given information in the solution. Area of square is equal to 144 centimeters square. This information is given, so you will write it at first. Now we have to find out the length of each side. What is the formula of area of square? Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. We know only the area, okay, and the area is 144 and the side is unknown. You have to find this side. So you will put the answer of area under the area of square like this. Area of square is 144 centimeters square. We know it, so we have written it. Okay. And side. We don't know the answer of side, but we will get it from here. 144. So how we will get 144? By multiplication, we will get it like 12 multiplied by 12. Because when you will multiply 12 by 12, you will get 144. Okay students, so it's mean that each side is 12 centimeter. Okay, here you can see area is given, so we will write it here 144 centimeter square and is equal to, so how you will get 144? When you will multiply 12 by 12. Okay, 12 12s are 144, so it's mean that each side is 12 centimeter. Okay, so each side is 12 centimeter. So if the area is given, you can find the side like this. Okay students. Now move to chapter 3 part 2. A rectangle has an area of 48 centimeter square. How long could each side be? Now we are going to discuss about the area of rectangle. It is given 48 centimeter. You have to find out the length of each side. So first you will write the given information, and the given information is area of rectangle. In the solution you will write area of rectangle is equal to 48 centimeters square. Now what is the formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. Okay students, and you have to find the length and width also. These two are unknown and we have to find it, and the area of rectangle is given, it is 48. So you will put it here like this. 48 centimeter square is equal to, now how you will get 48 by multiplication? What is the possibility of 48? It is 8 6 are, okay, 8 6 are 48, and you can also do 2 24s are, but 24 will be the great length, so you will take 8 and 6. 8 6 are 48. It means that 8 is the length and 6 is width. It means that 8 centimeter is the length of the rectangle and 6 centimeter is the width of the rectangle, because length is bigger than the width. So you will take it. So it means that length is equal to 8 centimeter and width is equal to 6 centimeter. There are other possibilities of 48. How you can 48? 12 fours are 48. You can choose it, this 12 you can take it as length, and 4 you can take it as width. Okay, 12 fours are 48, but you can also choose 8 6 are, it's up to you. Okay, you can choose 8 and 6 or 12 and 4. Okay, it's your own choice. I have chosen length is 8 and width is 6. 8 6 are 48. Okay students, now last word problem of challenge 3, and the challenge 3 is that Chalia made 3 squares, all of the same size. They look like this. You can see there are 3 squares. Okay, Thalia thought she could put these together to make other shapes of different areas. She thought that when she will take all these squares, okay, and she want to make any other shape but with different area. Is she correct? Explain your answer. I will tell you how. You can see these squares. There are 3 squares, okay, and they look like same, and the area of these squares is same. Okay students, suppose the area of first square is 1 centimeter square, second is 1 centimeter square, and third is 1 centimeter square. The area of 3 squares is same, so she want to make other shapes but with different areas. Is she correct? No, she is not correct, because it is not possible to make with different areas. She can make other shapes, but the area will not be different. Area will be same. So our answer is no. Any shape Thalia will make will have the same area. Okay students, because you can see the square of the square, area of the square is same. She can make the shapes but the area will be same. Okay students, so she is not correct. Any shape Thalia will make will have the same area. Okay students, this was our today's lecture. Please concentrate on it. Okay, and do it in your notebooks and workbook also. It's your homework for today. Goodbye, have a good time.